Welcome back to the show, guys. Now let's get you in the soca vibe and check out this week's Caribbean video.
DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say Bravo a champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Chris Gale is a champion. Beanie a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bungie is a champion, Folland is a champion, Lara is a champion, Gale is a champion. Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly and a champion, 958 both a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say Bravo a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Chris Gale is a champion. Come on, come on. Champion, me a real champion. Champion, me a real champion. Champion, me a real champion. Don't vex if your name not call. We have to leave everybody some ball. We love soca and dancehall. We love cricket and football. Come a dance in a my name we call. Champion, champion. Every trainee and every yard man. Champion, champion.
In this week's Wray Proud Jamaican Spirit feature, we salute the achievements of dancehall artist Elephant Man.
Born in Kingston, Jamaica, O'Neal Bryan, better known in music circles as Elephant Man, began his musical journey as a member of the Scared 'Em crew. After going solo, he got his first international recognition when he and Puma settled a contract for using his single All Out for its Olympic commercial campaign in 2004. Between 2001 and 2010, Elephant Man joined an unprecedented run on the Jamaican music charts, scoring one hit after the other. Songs including Father Elephant Man, Joke Gal, Wine Wine featuring Kiprich, Wine Up featuring Cat DeLuna,
Elephant Man and Cat, come on. Elephant Man, wine up, come on. My dear, wine up your body, bring it to me right here. She got the finest body, I swear.
Don't Stop featuring Janet Jackson,
Don't stop, work in the pool like a snail. Dance, you give me maybe a knock on the way. Don't stop,
Working like you're working a pole.
don't stop,
Shake it till you're shaking the floor.
don't stop.
Pop it like you're popping a gold.
Ladies,
Pon the River, Pon the Bank,
real bad man, no we people pants. We take dancing to a higher rank. We spend pound and we spend franc. Shut up and new dance like Jamaica and Grand. Yeah, on the river, on the bank. Kick out the show.
and Signal the Plane.
Let me dance so. Dancing at Jamaica, middle name. Feels that we go to England a trend. Immigration, I call out your name. Now make your friend get caught. Signal the plane. Yeah, signal the plane. Make we signal the plane.
Charted on several Billboard charts in America with Don't Stop and Wine Up reaching #1 on Billboard's Dance Music Club Play charts. After releasing albums for Green Sleeves Records, Elephant Man signed with P. Diddy's Bad Boy label in 2007 and released the album Let's Get Physical, which earned a Grammy nomination for Best Reggae Album. The Gully Creeper dance, for which Elephant Man created a song, was danced by Usain Bolt at the 2008 Summer Olympics in Beijing after winning the gold medal and breaking a world record in the 200-meter sprint. Elephant Man has released 7 studio albums to date. His latest album was 2011's Dance and Sweep. We are indeed proud to salute the musical accomplishments of Jamaican dancehall artist Elephant Man and highlight his career achievements as our Wray Proud Jamaican Spirit. Wray Proud Jamaican Spirit.
Now let's see which songs made the cut in this week's Magnum Top 10 charts.
Mix up in a coca, marijuana, no dust to the nose, yeah. I no powder, not a obia, can't get over. Look at me now, where them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh, oh, look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. I mean, I tell you my life, for them
not the suicide match.
the house a bun down, the house a bun down, the house a bun down, the house a bun down.
Yo, rich, 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 real rich.
thing. They know the clock, me fi stop sing. Me not stop, then me move to the acting. It's a big league.
If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. If I were you.
Tom Cruise, Tom Cruise. I really think that I'm Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise, Tom Cruise. I really, really think that I'm Tom Cruise. Ray-Ban.
Start it and them a run help you one call. Roberto Carlos hardball. Make the sex so we don't worry you can't wall. Boy skin good and tougher than all wall. When me cell phone
baby, don't throw it all away. My might have give up, but no give up on me. One more chance. You better learn for true. Not another word for you. Man, not time for you. Not another word for you. You flop.
Cause man see them true colors. Yeah. That's why me lose never. Yeah. Man see them true colors. Yeah. That's why me lose never. Yeah. You can pretend for so long, but no.
And that's how we pull the curtains down on this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna. Thanks to you for tuning in each and every week. Follow us on all social media at Pree Dis Show and like our Facebook page. Thanks to Endless Summer Boutique, Shop 7, Manor Park Plaza for this trendy outfit. See you next week.